Hello, I'm Madhu, and today we're going to make bean burgers. Bean burgers, veggie burgers, vegan burgers are all the craze these days. And today we're going to make them with garbanzo beans, and I have rinsed it and drained it. And this is about 1.5 cups of cooked beans, okay? And all I'm doing is mincing this until it's completely soft, okay? So as you can see, it comes together, it's soft, it's smooth, and I'm going to add all the vegetables. So, carrots, 1/4 cup of scallions, which I nicely minced, and we're going to add cilantro, 2 tablespoons, green chilies, 2 teaspoons. You can obviously put less or more. There is also a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Now, these are the 2 things that make your burgers spicy hot. If you don't want them to be spicy hot, those are the things you adjust. Add salt and all your spices. Of course, I forgot here's ginger, which I grated, cumin powder, and lemon juice. And the last thing I'm going to add is 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. You're going to mix it till it all comes together. Okay, this doesn't take very long. It's a good idea to use a little bit of oil. Oil your hands. Okay, then you're going to make 4 patties. Put these on a plate. About equal size. Now that our patties are ready and our grill is heated, I'm going to just put a little bit of oil. It takes about maximum of 2 tablespoons of oil for all 4 of them. And I'm going to add that right on top, just kind of swirl it a little bit. And all right, just takes about a couple minutes to brown on both sides. Okay, that's more like it. And actually, before I turn, I'm going to put a little oil on this side. Cover this a little bit too. All right, a little splattery. Now, lightly grill the buns. Now, if you like a little onion, go ahead. If you like a lot, you can put the whole onion in there. Put a couple slices of tomatoes. And if you have cilantro chutney, if you like it, add some. And ketchup. Good old ketchup works very well. You can do both, or you can just do the ketchup. There you go. I'm gonna go straight for it. These turned out great. The cilantro chutney adds an extra zing. For more recipes, go to my website, cuisineofindia.com. Until next time, happy, healthy living.